Previously session we have seen acid and alkaline burns. Now we will see the trauma to the eye. The structure of the face and eyes is well suited for protecting the eyes from injury. The eyeball is set into the orbit, a socket surrounded by a strong bony ridge. The eyelids close quickly to form a barrier to foreign objects, and the eye can tolerate minor impact without damage. That means the structure of the face and eyes is situated in the protective area that will help to protect the eyes from any injuries. That means the eyeball is set into the orbit, a socket surrounded by the strong bony ridge. Okay, socket surrounded by a strong bony ridge, and the eyelids close quickly to form a barrier foreign objects, and the eye is tolerate minor impact without damaging. ओके, तो जो हमारा आई होता है, आई बॉल जो होते हैं वो प्रोटेक्टिव एरिया में रहते हैं, ऑर्बिट में रहते हैं, इनटू द ऑर्बिट, और उनके सॉकेट क्या होता है, अ सॉकेट सराउंडेड बाय द स्ट्रॉन्ग बोनी रिज, और जो उसका जो सराउंडिंग एरिया रहता है वो किससे घिरा हुआ रहता है, हमारा बोनी रिज से, स्ट्रॉन्ग बोनी रिज से. और आईलिड्स क्या करता है, जब भी कोई बैरियर्स मतलब जब भी कोई भी हार्मफुल ऑब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं, फॉरेन ऑब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं, तो वो क्विकली बैरियर्स का काम करती है. ठीक है, तो इससे हमारी आंख जो होती है डैमेज होने से बच जाती है. ओके, देन contusional or blunt injuries to the eye. A blunt impact may damage the structure at the front of the eye. जो blunt impact होता है, they are damaging the front of the eye, मतलब जो front structure of the front of the eye, जैसे eyelid, conjunctiva, sclera, cornea, iris and lens. And this also impact back of the eye, that is retina and optic nerve. Such an impact may also fracture the bone that surround the eye, or this impact also break or also fracture the bones which is surrounding the eye. Blunt trauma occasionally also results in laceration to the tissues of the eye. This will also occasionally occurs, also resulting in cuts to the tissues of the eye or laceration to the eye, to the tissues of the eye. And injured eyes may be very swollen and difficult to open, and injured eyes is very swelled and very difficult to open that eye. Okay, now we will see the clinical manifestations. Lids. Contusions of lid cause swelling and ecchymosis. Ecchymosis means discoloration of the skin resulting from bleeding. Discoloration of the skin resulting from bleeding of the lids, a condition known as black eye. Okay, that means lids में क्या हो जाएगा, swelling हो जाएगा, ecchymosis मतलब discoloration हो जाएगा. Then clinical manifestation under the conjunctiva, usually subconjunctival hemorrhage will be there. Cornea and sclera, form of abrasions or rupture will be there. And in the iris and pupils, the iris may be torn from its attachment to the ciliary body, tones disturbance. Then lens, concussion, cataract. Concussion means होता है opacity. Opacity will be developed there, entire the lens. Okay, then vitreous. In the vitreous, disorganization of vitreous, formation of opacity and hemorrhage may occur in the vitreous area. Then retina, detachment due to tear and retinal hemorrhage will be there, and rupture of retinal blood vessels. Treatment. conservative lines, and for the black eyes and for the black eyes we have to immediately we have to provide cold compress, okay, and atropine 1% drop may be instilled to give rest to the eye if there is no glaucoma. Steroid eye drops also locally we have to use, okay. So in trauma to the eye we have seen the structure of the eye and face is suited for a protect the eyes from the injury. आइस को इंजरी से बचाने के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर सेफ्टी जगह पे ही सिचुएटेड रहती है, प्लस वहाँ पे वो रहती हैं. और आई बॉल्स जो होता है, आई बॉल्स is set into the orbit and the socket surrounded it is strong bony ridge, मतलब surrounded by a strong bony ridge, and the eyelids close quickly to form a barrier to foreign objects, and the eye can tolerate minor impact without damage. ठीक है, तो ट्रॉमा से बचने के लिए हमारा जो आइस रहता है वो पर्टिकुलर एक ऐसी जगह पे सेटअप रहता है, हमारा आई बॉल्स हमारे ऑर्बिट के अंदर में, और उसके जो सॉकेट सराउंडेड होता है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग बोनी रिज होता है, जिससे कि क्विकली जो भी फॉरेन सब्सटेंस हमारे पास आने के लिए होगा, फॉरेन ऑब्जेक्ट जितने जो भी आने को होगा, आईलिड्स क्विकली बैरियर का काम करने लग जाती है. ठीक है, और जिससे हम लोग माइनर इम्पैक्ट से थोड़ा प्रोटेक्ट कर पाते हैं, डैमेज से प्रोटेक्ट हो पाते हैं. तो ब्लंट इंजरीज टू द आई, this may damage the structure of the front part of the eye and also the back part of the eye. Okay, under the front part of the eye they will impact the eyelid, conjunctiva, iris, lens and sclera. Back of the eye, retina and optic nerve will become, and this impact may also fracture the bones that surrounded of the eye, and this results in cuts to the tissues of the eye, and injured eyes may be very swelled and very difficult to open that eye easily. Under the clinical manifestation we have seen in the lids swelling will be there, ecchymosis matlab discoloration of the skin will be there, and in the conjunctiva usually subconjunctival hemorrhage will be there. Cornea and sclera from abrasions or rupture will be there. Iris and pupil, there is tone from its attachment to the ciliary body, there will be disturbance, and lens opacity cataract, there will be and under the lens opacity will be there, and because of that damage to the capsule. Okay, then under the vitreous formation of opacity and hemorrhage will be there, and in retina detachment will be there, and this detachment occurring due to tearing in retina and retinal hemorrhage and due to rupture of retinal blood vessels. And the treatment, we have to provide immediate cold compress for the black eyes, and atropine 1% drop may be instilled to give rest to the eye if there is no glaucoma, and steroid eye drop locally can be used. Okay, now we will